Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today in English we are going to learn from ER, that is lesson number 5. ER book lesson number 5, The Man Who Saved the Moon. Now I will explain. You listen children. A kind-hearted man looking down into a well. So a man, he was walking by. And when he was walking, he saw a well there. Well means bavi. He saw a well and he went near the well and he was looking into the well. See here. You can see even in the picture also, but don't open now. Afterwards you can see that. He was looking into the well. Saw the reflection of the moon in the water. Saw the reflection. What is reflection? Needa. Painunchi moon ni chustunte. So when he was seeing the moon in the water, you can see the same thing there. It is mirror image. See, when you will hold the mirror like this, or when you will stand in front of the mirror, what you will see? Same figure you will see there, isn't it? You can see yourself in the mirror. Okay, that is reflection. Same thing you can see there. Like that, the man, he was seeing the moon in the well water. This means he was seeing the reflection of the moon. Oh my God, the moon has fallen into the well. So the man was thinking, the moon fell into the well. The moon fell into the well. He cried. Cried means not crying. He was shouting. He hurried to fetch a hook tied to the end of a long rope. So he was seeing to save the moon. The moon has fallen into the well. How to save that moon? So he was going here and there, and he was searching for a big rope. He was searching for a big rope and hook so that he can lift it up. He was thinking like that. Quickly, he left the hook fall deep into the well. So, finally he got a big rope and he tied a hook to that and he left into the well, holding fast to the rope. So, fastly he was leaving the rope into the well. The hook hit the water and reached the bottom of the well. So, fast, big rope he took. He took big rope. Rope means tadu. He took big rope and he tied a hook for that. And he left into the well. And fastly he was leaving the rope. And what finally happened? The hook went down deep in the water and touched the ground. Means down. Caught to the stone. So in well you can see stones, small fishes, everything, isn't it? Frogs also. So like that, when he left the rope into the well, it went and struck to a stone. The hook, what he tied to the rope, it went and struck to the stone. Thinking that he had got the moon. So what he thought? Something has struck. That is moon only. He thought like that. But it was not the moon. The man pulled up the rope with such a force that it broke. So the stone, how the stone will be? It will be very heavy. Isn't it? Stone will be very heavy. We can't carry. So it was struck to the hook, isn't it? So he was pulling very forcefully. With very force he was pulling the rope. And what happened? The rope finally, what happened? It pulled the rope with such a force that broke and fell down. When he was pulling the rope broke. Okay, it broke and fell down flat on his back. So with force, if you pull anything like this, and suddenly if it comes out, what will happen? You will fall down, isn't it? If it comes with a force. Like that only the man too happened like that only. For man also it happened like that only. Nearly unconscious. Unconscious అంటే పడిపోవడం. ఇక ఎవరికి గుర్తుపట్టరు, పడిపోతారు, కళ్ళు తిరిగి పడిపోతారు కదా అలా. సో ఇట్ వాజ్ అన్కాన్షియస్. నియర్లీ హీ వెంట్ టు unconscious, కళ్ళు తిరిగి పడిపోయినాడు ఆ ఫోర్స్ కి. The first time the man saw when he recovered was the moon. So after when he has fallen down, then he was unconscious, isn't it? So after he recovered, means when he woke up. So when you will fall, what you will see directly? Up into the sky, isn't it? So when he recovered, when he woke up, he saw first what he saw? The moon, which now shining brightly high up in the sky. So the moon was shining brightly when he was seeing, when he recovered and was looking in the sky. He saw the moon and the moon was shining brightly. The man groaned in pain but said happily. Groaned means మూల్గడం. మీకు చిన్న దెబ్బ తాకితే అమ్మా అమ్మా అని అంటారు కదా, లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ ద మ్యాన్ గ్రౌండ్ విత్ పెయిన్. It's paining, he was telling. But he was happy. Why he was happy? Because I hurt myself, but thank God the moon is saved. So he was telling, abba debba taakte taakindi, let it happen. If I get hurt also, doesn't matter. But I'm thanking God that the moon is saved. It is not in the well, now came up. So he was thinking that he saved the moon. But what he saw in the water. Did he see direct moon in the water? No, it was a reflection of the moon. It was the image, reflection of the moon in the water. Now you can just see, children, take some water in a bucket. If you want, take some water in a bucket and just bend your face and see. You can see your own image in the water. You can see your own image in the water. Just you test it. You can see the same image. Like that only the man saw the moon in the water, reflection of the moon, and he thought that the moon has fallen into the well. But is that correct? No, it was just a reflection. And he thought that the moon is saved, that he saved the moon. Because the moon just moved to a side. Because the moon will not be in one place. It will be moving. So after some time when he was unconscious, the moon just moved a little from the well. And he thought that the moon is up again and he saved the moon. Okay. Thank you.